So this is the cardiac cycle. In diastole, the heart is relaxed and it is receiving blood at the atria. So at the right atrium, it is going to be receiving deoxygenated blood from the vena cava, and on the left atrium, it's going to be receiving oxygenated blood from the pulmonary vein. This is diastole. The atrioventricular valves are going to open. This will cause the deoxygenated blood to go from the right atrium to the right ventricle, and the oxygenated blood from the left atrium to the left ventricle. So now the ventricles are filling up with blood. At this level, the semilunar valves are closed. And now we enter systole. Atrial systole was when the atria contract in order to force all of the blood into the ventricles. And ventricular systole follows atrial systole. It is when the ventricles contract in order to force the blood out of the heart and into the aorta as well as the pulmonary artery. During ventricular systole, the atrioventricular valves are going to be closed in order to prevent the backflow of blood into the atria due to the contraction, or else if they didn't close, blood will flow back into the atria due to the contraction of the ventricles. And obviously the semilunar valves are going to be open during ventricular systole so that the blood can rush into the aorta and the pulmonary artery. So atrial systole happens and then ventricular systole follows directly after. And after that, the blood has left the ventricles and is going towards the lungs and the rest of the body. And at the same time, after this happens, there is blood that's going to be coming back to the heart, to the atria, and we enter diastole again. So it's a constant cycle of systole and diastole following each other.